watch the movies.
We actually have to date someone first.
Shut up. Exactly. So we can't watch it for a
Don't
long
you have
time.
something better to do than just sit there?
I'm waiting to put the
Where are the
cupcakes.
sandwiches I'm supposed
Check
to be
the oven.
Right there. Oh, one. Here's another one.
I'm gonna cut.
No, I'm cutting you. Dude, we should be like Cold Stones and totally sing.
Everybody
listen to
needs
it.
to poop.
No. No, we're not singing about party poopers. We're singing about sandwiches.
You can still see the white of the bread.
Oh, where's that? I like you, and I cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny. When someone comes in and orders the peanut butter and jelly sandwich, it really makes me feel high.
That was the worst song I've ever heard in my life.
When you guys know the sandwiches, pass them down over here.
Okay, well, you need to get over here. I'm on the other side of the table. It's not my fault. Well, Laura needs to be supervising the peanut butter here. There's not enough. I keep breaking the sandwich.
Ew, you put it on my hand first.
Jess, you're gonna
Gosh.
Jess, you're gonna need more memory. You only have 45 seconds left.
Oh, no.
I'll run and upload it on my computer so we can start fresh.
Did you delete the other ones?
Yes, yes. So fresh. You can delete all the pictures of me yesterday in my outfit. 'Cause I have
Me? Why me?